Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a marketer, a professional, a business owner, or just someone who wants a group of people to help post on X, formerly Twitter, at the same time to increase visibility or make a topic trend, then you need to learn how to schedule your posts. Now, if you can't use your laptop or computer to do this because of certain reasons, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule posts on X using just your mobile phone. All you need is a browser of your choice, like Safari, Chrome, or any other browser. For this tutorial, I'll be using Chrome. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser. Go to your browser, I'm using Chrome, and type in x.com. Log in to your X account. Enter your username and password to log in if you haven't already. Step 3. Compose your post. Click the plus button below to start drafting your post. Add text, links, or upload photos, videos, as you normally would. Step 4. Schedule your post. Below your tweet, you'll see a calendar/clock icon. Tap it. A pop-up will appear. Set the date and time you want your post to go live. Once you're done, tap Confirm at the right top corner and then Schedule. Step 5. View or edit scheduled posts. If you need to make changes or check your scheduled tweets, click on the View icon here to see your list of scheduled posts. Here, click on Edit at the top right corner. Once you're done making the changes, click on Done at the top right corner. That's it. You've successfully scheduled your post on X using just your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.